Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Do you need to add or update a payment method in the WordPress? Let me show you how to do it. Start by logging into your account at the wordpress.com. Then head to your profile by clicking your avatar. On the left side menu, click on Purchases. This is where you manage plans, domains, and payment methods. Then at the top, switch to the payment method. Then click Add Payment Method. Now fill in your credit or debit card details. You can also choose to use this method for all subscription by checking the box. When you are ready, click Safeguard. Your info is private and won't be shared with other admins. You can also link a PayPal account for renewals or set up local options like Alipay Idle or Google Pay, depending on your country. Then, to change or delete a card, stay on the Payment tab and click three dots besides the saved card. Here we can delete, you can see the option like this. That's it. Whether it's for domain upgrades or renewals, WordPress make it easy to manage your billing. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Check the links in the description for the full guide.